Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a power bank at home very easily without any professional tools. If you're new to electronics or DIY, don't worry, I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. First, we need a few components. I've added all the product links in the description, go check them out. Let's do the unboxing. Pack of 4 batteries, each to 600 mAh. So the total capacity is 10,400 mAh, it cost me rupees. Later I found a cheaper option, 10 pieces for just Rs 200 for, but it's okay. This is also a good brand, you can check it out if you want. Charging module with digital display, I got this for rupees 494. It comes with some cool features: overcharge protection and over-discharge, and overcharge automatically stops charging when full stable volt. Now let's build the power bank. You'll need a soldering iron. Now we need to solder wires on the battery terminals. This part is a little tricky since we don't have a spot welding machine. Here's how to do it manually. Take some solder wire, melt it with the iron and apply it to the battery terminals. Do this for all 4 batteries. Use a hot glue gun to stick the batteries together so they don't move. Cut a long wire for the negative side. Place it across all 4 battery negative terminals. Solder each battery to the wire. Flip the battery pack and do the same for the positive side with the red wire. Once all are connected, use hot glue again on top and bottom of the wires to make the soldering stronger and prevent movement. On the module, you'll see 2 points be a battery minus. Now connect red wire and yellow. Once connected, the LED display will turn on. As you can see, mine shows 91% battery. How cool is that? Now let's test if it works. Charging the power bank, connect a normal 5TV micro USB type B cable. The charging light on the power bank will blink. It's working. And charging a mobile phone, plug it into the USB port. It's working. And charging a smartwatch, it's charging, works perfectly. This module has 2 USB outputs, so you can charge 2 devices at once. Normally the display is off. To turn it on, and just press the little button on the back and the blue screen will light up. And guess what, it also has a mini LED light like a small torch. Just double click the button on the back to turn it on, press again to turn it off. Very handy at night. So that's it guys, fully working DI power bank using 18650 batteries and a simple charging module. No fancy tools needed. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And tell me, should I make a 3D printed case for this power bank in the next video? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.